How to fix Facebook, you can't make this change at the moment. So if you're trying to add a two-factor authentication or remove the two-factor authentication, and if it says you can't make this change at the moment, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. And before proceeding, make sure to connect your Instagram with your Facebook. Once you've connected, now you need to go with the profile, go with the upper right, which has that three-bar icon, and go with the account center. Under account center, if you go with the profiles, then here you will have your Facebook and your Instagram profiles, right? So make sure to connect your profiles with each other. Once you've connected, now you've connected your Facebook and Instagram, right? So what you need to do is just go back and then go with password and security, and under security checks, here you will have two-factor authentication. So simply tap on two-factor authentication and then tap your Facebook, and sometimes you might need to re-enter your password. So re-enter your password. Once you re-enter your password, now here you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with the authentication app or other backup methods. So I'll be choosing the authentication app, and here you will have the option, right? So you can simply toggle it on or toggle it off or add the connected devices. Go with my authenticator app, and you can go and rename if you want to, or simply tap on remove if you want to remove. So that's it. That's how you can fix Facebook. You can't make this change at the moment. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.